welcome. Thanks for watching. So this video, the song is called He Sent His Son, from the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints children's songbook. So this song does not have any verses or chorus, so we'll just go ahead and sing and voice the ASL, but you will see the caption that is both the English and ASL together. And at the end, I will be singing the full song. Enjoy. Okay, we'll get started. So, Father, two hands. Father, teach. So this is not for teach, but in music, we play with the sign. So, Father, teach the world of love and kindness. He, so backhand for he sent his, front for his son, their baby, peace and holiness. So holy, so it's H here on your hands, and you kind of swipe. Holiness. Father, show the world, so world, path, make it towards heaven on the right hand, path, follow. Okay? So, remember, he sent his son here, earth, to show path to heaven. Father, informed, so again, Father informed the world of, so down here, A shape, sacrifice and death. He sent his son, died instead of us, and rise. So this was tricky, so your hands are like this, facing down here. So it's like he's in a grave and then he resurrect here, and then again. Make sense? So I'll sign that line again. So, he sent his son to die for us, to rise and live again. So now with the music.
How could the Father tell the world of love and tenderness? He sent his son, a newborn babe, with peace and holiness. How could the Father show the world the pathway we should go? He sent his son to walk with men on earth, that we may know. How could the Father tell the world of sacrifice, of death? He sent his son to die for us and rise with living breath.
Last half of the song. Father, require us to do. Scriptures inform what? So look confused. What? Have faith, and I want you to move your body. Have it. Have faith and hope. And then in the middle, live like his son. Make that? And then help them people path to heaven. So, that, I'm going to sign it again. So, the Father require us all to do. The scriptures inform us what? Have faith, have hope, live like his son, help others on their way. Father require us live like his son.
How could the Father tell the world of love and tenderness? He sent his Son, a newborn babe, with peace and holiness. How could the Father show the world the pathway we should go? He sent his Son to walk with men on earth, that we may know. How could the Father tell the world of sacrifice, of death? He sent his Son to die for us and rise with living breath. What does the Father ask of us? What do the scriptures say? Have faith, have hope, live like his son. Help others on their way. What does he ask? Live like his son.
Thank you so much for watching. Any suggestions, make a comment below.